LOVE stock analysis and LOVE stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this stock trading space that has actually done 42,000 videos and documented them all. Telling you this now is certainly with truth, and I'm looking to just buy like crazy in here. So ultimately, let's pull up here. It's my top of the range. I like the pump, and the trend that we're definitely trending. The Lovesac Company, it's obviously very hard to always get sniper trades, and the perfect trade possible. But as long as you're patient and you don't just take random trades, as long as there's a double break, there's nothing stopping me from buying more. So if you do want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description to get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated, right? That's what LOVE means. If you want to stay tuned with it for free as well, just click the first link below. It's free insights. Fast way to stay possible.